Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you guys one of my new favorite workflows, and that's to create the form and then map it, sync it with a database. So previously, I've been using Notion to sync with Tally forms, but recently I've changed to using Coda, and it's been even easier. And with Notion, it's already very intuitive, and it was a lot quicker than other workflows, similar workflows that I've used in the past. So I'm just going to really show you very quickly here. So I'll start with the templates. Let's choose a job application form because there's a lot of fields here. And so usually what I would have to do is to create um, a new table, and then I would have to create a lot of columns here, and each of them would map to each of the question here. So I'll pause when I do that. Um, okay, so I've just finished doing that, and that took me about 2 3 minutes. And so when I publish this one here, just give me a second. Move it up. Whoops. So job application form, use, and done. So I would publish integration and Notion here. Mighty tools, yep. So refresh. Oh, I would need to share there. So they've changed it. Previously it was share and then integrate there, but now you can do this as well. So tally, there you go. Yeah. And then you would have to map each of this with with the relevant field on the other side. So I'm not even seeing the first name here, which is weird. But I'll do this. Last name, email. And I'll pause while I do it again. Yeah, so for example, when there is something that doesn't really match up, like this one here, I set the value as a text field, and here the LinkedIn profile is a URL property. I would have to change it to to update to make sure that it's correct. So every time I do that, there. So it's just an extra step really, and LinkedIn profile. I've only done it to here. So yeah, as you can see, it can take quite a bit of time when you have a lot of questions. Anything else we should know? There. Okay, so I've done it, and you can check the time. It took me quite a few minutes as well, but now that it's done, so I'll try to fill out this form myself. Whoops. And I have to upload something. So let's see. Okay, there you go. So it starts to populate here. So once it's done, it's pretty seamless. But the thing is, um, check out if there with Coda, it's a lot easier. So let me just set it up real quick. So on Coda, I haven't set up anything crazy. It's just opening an empty page like this, and with Coda, you don't have to connect from this side here. You just have to sync the account to log in once with your Coda, and when you go in, you just have to go like this, packs, and then search for Tally like that. Add to doc. I already have my account set up. So it's just really easy like this. Drop application and just drag it in. And then that's it. That's all you need to do. There's no need to create any manual table or anything like that. And every time you want to sync, you just have to do it like that. I believe the sync time is it's once per day for the regular account. But I mean, it's not something that I need to be notified of or anything like that, because if I wanted to do that, I can do webhooks as well, to connect with Slack or Discord. This is purely the for database purposes. And for example, if this was a job application form, I can also create a new one. And let's say uh, people, where is it? Checkbox. There you go. And I can create a shortlist option and just start shortlisting people here, or even having a comment column and make notes of the candidates. Like this person, I like them because of ABC. So yeah, the whole setup thing took probably a couple seconds to just open Coda and then find the questionnaire and then just drag it in, and then that'll be it. So yeah, hope this helps.